Are you looking for the best air fryer? If your answer is yes, then this video is really very useful for you. There are lots of products available to choose air fryer with different prices, benefits, and characteristics. I did hours of extensive research and read tons of reviews to compile a list of perfect products for you. I hope my research will help you to buy the right air fryer. To check the updated price and other details of those products, check the links from the description box. Let's jump into the video without any further delay. Number 1. Ninja Air Fryer. When we tested air fryers originally, the Ninja Air Fryer proved itself the best air fryer model for chicken wings. That's still the case. But in our latest round of air fryer testing, we found this machine also cooked many other things well, landing it in the top spot on our updated list. The Ninja was the most powerful air fryer we tested, blasting chicken wings to crispy goodness the fastest. Speed is a big draw since it means you'll get that desired crispy outer layer faster, with less risk of drying out the inside of a chicken wing, French fry, or whatever else you're making. The Ninja Air Fryer also made frozen mozzarella sticks that were nicely browned with bubbly cheese inside. They started out frozen and were transformed into crispy, crunchy, and gooey cheese bombs in 6 minutes flat. If you're into fries, the Ninja won't disappoint either. Frozen French fries turned out golden brown and delicious in just 10 minutes in both rounds of testing. One thing to note is the Ninja lacks a special cooking method or mode for vegetables, so much as in our previous testing. The fresh Brussels sprouts emerged a tad overdone, even burnt in spots. This simply requires a little bit more checking when you're air frying certain foods for the first time. The Ninja also has very simple controls, whereas some air fryer interfaces were overly complicated or had buttons and dials that just didn't make much sense. With the Ninja, there are only 4 buttons to control the cooking mode: air fry, roast, reheat, and dehydrate, as well as simple buttons to control the temperature and time. Number 2. Dash Deluxe Electric Air Fryer. This oversized air fryer is easy on the eyes. The Dash Deluxe has the largest cooking capacity of any of the ovens we tested, with a 6-quart cooking basket. It also has some undeniable retro appeal and is available in a few fun colors. The appliance we tested was aqua, though it also comes in red, black, and white. This model has all manual controls with no presets, and was exceedingly simple to operate, and it comes with an air fryer recipe guide. Aesthetics aside, the Dash fried up batches of wings, Brussels sprouts, tater tots, and French fries that were all cooked evenly and well. In our first round of testing, we found it easy to overshoot when air frying a mozzarella stick if you're not careful. For us, that's a good thing, and only means the air fryer has considerable power that you learn to manage. I rarely rely solely on food manufacturer recommendations or oven presets, but rather use them as a loose guide and do lots of peeking and checking along the way. The Dash has exactly 0 presets and no cooking modes, such as roast or dehydrate, and still got the most important jobs done. Number 3. Magic Bullet. I'm going to level with you, air fryers can be a little bulky. In fact, they're one of the larger countertop appliances you can purchase, and if you have a small kitchen with limited countertop square footage, you're going to have to account for that. One workaround is nabbing a hybrid countertop oven that serves as a toaster, convection oven, and air fryer. The Ninja Foodie is my favorite, and it even flips up to sit no more than 7 inches from the wall when not in use. Another option is buying a smaller solo air fryer, and NutriBullet's new Magic Bullet air fryer is our pick for the best compact air fryer in 2022. This model obviously won't hold as much as the others on the list, but in our testing, it showed good power, so you could cook fairly quickly in batches if need be. The Magic Bullet has a 2.5-quart cooking basket, which is enough to hold about 8 wings or 2 servings of French fries in a single batch. The Magic Bullet air fryer crisped chicken wings and Brussels sprouts nicely, and got the fries to golden brown as fast as any other air fryer on our list. I imagine the small basket accounts for this machine's fast cooking. It also has simple analog dials, and wasn't noisy while in action. Number 4. Ninja DZ201 If you've got a small army to feed, you're going to need more air fryer basket space, and Ninja's Foodie model with 2 baskets has 8 quarts of it, 4 quarts on each side. The beauty of a 2-basket model is you can cook your meats in one basket at the appropriate temperature and cook sides or vegetables on the other, since they often require a lower temp. Or you can just cook boatloads of chicken wings using both sides and feed the entire neighborhood on game day. The Ninja may be large, but it still has tons of super convection power, with both sides reaching 400 degrees Fahrenheit. You can also set the timer for up to an hour at a time. The Ninja model has easy digital controls, and the baskets are simple to clean. Need more info? Check out our full review on the Ninja Foodi Dual Basket Air Fryer. Number 5. Instant Pot Duo Crisp. If you're eyeing an air fryer but also an Instant Pot or another multi-cooker, let me save you some money and kitchen space. The Instant Pot Duo does all the work of the popular multi-cooker, pressure cooker, slow cooker, steam and saute, but comes with a separate air fryer lid and cooking function as well. I found the air fryer function worked as well or better than most of the solo air fryers I tested. One reason, and something you might consider a drawback, is that the cooking capacity is relatively small, which generally translates to better air fryer results, since the hot circulating air hits the food harder, hotter and faster. Instant Pot's Duo model made incredible crispy fried chicken, wings, veggies, and other classics. But know that you'll likely have to cook in batches if you're making food for a group. It's also a solid deal. The Duo Crisp can often be found at an affordable price, which can be a deciding factor for those looking for the best air fryer that fits a tight budget. So that's all about the video. To get helpful videos like this, do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for quick notifications. If you need more information about those products, check the links from the description below. Please comment below if you have any query about this video. Thanks for watching.